Good morning, guys. How's the sound, by the way? Again, I'll just wait for people to pop in. Lucky Pozo, good morning. All right. Thank you, Noel. Um, NUV. Good morning, Tim. I was gonna check the float. Okay, thank you, the Mandalorian. I'll give it one more minute, and then we could get started. Morning, Timothy. So that's 21. Hey, GD, good morning. How was the day yesterday, guys, for you? For me, it was a non-trading day. And yeah, we are again getting closer towards the end of July. July was pretty good for me. Again, another green month in the books. And I hope all of you had a wonderful, wonderful month as well. So we got one more trading day left for July. Or, I'm sorry, today and tomorrow. Okay, let's get started. I think we got enough eyes here in the room. Tater watching and learning. What's up, Malcolm? Okay. All right, let's start with this one. I got here NAOV on the list. Again, a decent gap. Yesterday it had a decent move as well. Looking at the daily chart, sure, this thing can put in the legs. You know, it's kind of sketchy though. 375's high today. I mean, 52-week highs. Let's have a look here what that is doing on the daily chart. Okay. So for this one, I would like to see this one actually pop, maybe retest the 350 area, fail, and then I would like to get in on a short. That's something I would be looking at. LC, actually, I'm watching this one as we popped over 52-week highs. I'm just looking to take advantage of profit selling. Again, if you look post-market, it had this decent gap up. They reported earnings as well. And again, well over 52-week highs. Again, I'm just going to look to take advantage of people who are in here on the long side who are seeing this gap and you know, they want to sell for profits. And again, I just want to take advantage of that. What do I think about Chinese stocks? Well, I was watching a couple of them earlier this week. Unfortunately, I was not able to get in. You know, as you have seen, their daily charts, they were pretty shitty. JD, BABA, those were some names that Baidu. Again, those are all pretty, or at least beaten up daily charts. And let's pull up Baidu. You know, if you look at the daily chart, it's been pretty beaten up. And yeah, I was looking for a bounce. Fortunately, wasn't able to get in on any of them due to no setups. Again, if you got an idea somewhere, you know, you can start with that. And you know, then it's just waiting for a setup. Unfortunately, again, just a pop, pullback, and a pop. You know, no consolidation, no marination, no nothing to really get in to base your risk off as well. Again, the daily charts have been pretty beaten up, and yeah, I was looking basically for this bounce, but could not get in, could not find a sweet spot. So that's that. COCP, no. This one has low volume. FLGC, this one, as you can see, I marked out the pre-market highs here at 11. And again, this thing has been on a tear the past couple of days. Again, I'm hoping for a retest of this 1050 area, fail, and then a short setup on this FLGC. VXRT, they had news. Again, as I marked out in the private Discord room, guys, this one can put in the legs, as you can see on the daily chart, but be careful of what you're playing. You know, this thing can just yank like a sack of potatoes and leave you there holding the bag. So play and risk accordingly on this name. What I'm looking for on VXRT is a short, actually. We hit 940s almost here in the pre-market. Unfortunately, you can see it's already fading here under that VWAP. Again, looking at the daily chart with the pre-market highs marked out, you can see it's tapping into daily chart resistance just under 10. So, you know, we'll see. Ideally, I'm not going to chase the weakness here. Ideally, we can get another test, maybe even higher, 950s, and then fail. That would be ideal for a short setup. Tilray, watching this as well. Same concept though. You know, yesterday it had a bounce. 1708 here in the pre-market. Again, looking to take advantage of that daily chart resistance. And again, I want to just take advantage of people who are been holding the bag, and you know, who might want to see this as an opportunity to get out. And again, I want to take advantage of that on the short side. AUPH, watching this, but it has very, very low volume. That 15 is a key level on the daily chart. I think this can put in the legs and push higher. As you can see, this daily chart has been shaping up. So again, I need more volume with that. More volume means more players, so that's good. But I'll definitely keep an eye on this AUPH for a potential pop higher. So that's basically the list here. If you guys got any questions, feel free to reach out. So we got like 5 minutes left here before the opening bell. Are you guys watching? Oh, I thought it was you, Peteri, on DIDI. So that might be my memory playing games. ANVS and Sava. Alzheimer plays going in opposite directions. Let's have a look on ANVS. Okay, so that's a gap down actually. Are you looking for a bounce on them? Again, that daily chart isn't pretty bad. As you can see here on the daily chart, immediately the pre-market lows are kind of hitting that resistance, found support here. And here in the pre-market, it kind of held support as well. As you can see, the bounce here in the pre-market. So you might be onto something here on ANVS. I'm going to put this on my list as well. So good eye there, Grubby. But for the setup, what I want to see is a washout towards this 50 level, a prior resistance, just over this prior support as well. And if that VWAP can come down as well and hold support, then again we might be able to get long on this name, you know, for a potential of 70. But again, that daily chart is key as well. As you can see here in the pre-market, found support, prior resistance, support, and again it needs to prove itself that it can be support here on that level. SAVA, SAVA 148, say 149s. Okay. This one would go in my book as a short, as again the pop here over 52-week highs with the gap up, but would like to see another extension, maybe 150, 155s, and then I would like to take advantage of profit selling on the short side. NKLA, they had some negative news out. um, so we'll see how the market will react to that. But this is an overall shitty chart on the daily. So again, I don't want to be a part of a potential bounce with the negative news out there. Alright guys, we got like a minute and a half to go now before the opening bell. Again, if you just popped into the YouTube channel with the scanner only, please be advised that this channel is delayed by approximately 15 minutes. So you're listening to a delayed version here, as well as my commentary is also delayed. For those who are interested in joining our private Discord room to get access to all of the live features, so that means live screen share, live commentary, live alerts. We got video lessons in there. If you want to learn how to trade properly, then again, that's a good place to start, guys. Use the link precisiondaytrading.com to join. Again, it's only 39 bucks and 99 cents a month, which is pretty cheap and a good investment for your tool belt. And of course, don't forget, every day I'll be doing from now on a pre-market preparation live for you guys. So I'll post every day the link in the YouTube chat to join. And with that said, guys, I want to wish everyone good luck out there. Have a blessed day. Be safe, be patient, and as always, do not give into the FOMO feeling, guys. Give yourself a good slap on the wrist, go wash your hands, and come back refreshed. Good luck, guys. I'll see you guys in the room. And for those who are watching the channel here, thank you all for joining. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the room. Thank you guys for joining here. Appreciate it.